Hi Ganesh. So we'll start session in a couple of minutes.
Okay, sir.
Ganesh Shingaraj, right? How is your job, Ganesh? It's been 3 years or something, right? You completed
Sir,
course.
can you remember me?
Yeah, Ganesh
Yeah.
Shingaraj. Maybe
Ah,
regular Ganesh, maybe I can't, but Shingaraj is there. No, it's a rare name.
okay. Yeah, it was good, sir. Now they are
Yeah.
asking me to learn Power Platform full, Power
Okay.
Apps, everything.
Even I
That is
still
what.
remember your case also that some fraud will go about to happen, right, to you.
Yeah, was about to happen in mine. You only helped me a lot on that day. You saved me. You are the savior.
Nothing. You just inform me. I just try to do something.
Yeah. So, like, I know the quality of teaching which was given
Mm,
in the DataVerse zone. So I came back to you only without going back to any other institute.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
So we are expanding also now. Like even we are planning to start in Hyderabad as well.
Oh,
Looking for a
so
good
many things
trainers
are there, sir,
actually.
from Hyderabad.
Mhm. So
Ah,
offline, it's particularly even for freshers,
okay.
and we are gotten some tie-up with the local company also there in Hyderabad,
Okay. So that's great.
and we also developed a mock interview tool as well.
Okay.
It's working now internally. We are trying. I will give it to you the link later, so you can give it a try.
So I'm very happy to see that our company is going good, going big and good.
Thank
Mm,
you.
yes, sir.
Hi Indra. Let me make you as a host. Else you can be co-host also fine. Yeah. Indra, how the situation there? All good? Hi Vishal. Hi Sindhura. Suresh. Hi Rohit.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, hi.
Hello, hi.
Yeah, hi. We'll start in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone have a questions or something, we can discuss here. Anyone watching in a YouTube only, like in the YouTube live, maybe if you want to ask any questions, I will share the link in the YouTube as well. You can join directly from there. You can join this class so that you can ask questions. Indra, am I audible?
Hi Mahesh, you are audible. Hi
Yeah.
Ganesh, Rohit,
Yeah.
Manikanta, Suresh, how are you all?
Thank you, Indra. So, how the situation? It's internet. Everything is fine. I just scared like it's very near to the location, right? LOC.
Yeah.
All good. Huh?
So even if like internet will stop working, only mobile internet will be stopped. Broadband will keep on working.
Okay. Great.
Yeah, as of now everything is peaceful here.
Okay. There is no shelling in at your location, right?
No, because for me, like Chenab River act as a natural border for us. So it is
Mhm.
a savior for us.
Okay.
So
Good to know. We'll see.
yeah,
Yeah.
guys, I am Indra. Like I will be taking your batch. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me and Mahesh. Meanwhile, other people are joining.
Indra, you can start sharing your screen as well. And,
Sorry, I was speaking on mute. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So guys, we will start the actual session at 7:35 so that other people can join. So you can ask any doubt related to the course, Power Platform, career related doubt. So you can ask all those things in these 5 minutes, the people who are here.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Manmeet, you are.
Okay, so I just wanted to check few things. That's I'm already aware of Power BI working in the same domain right now. So how
Mhm.
gonna Power Apps learning like help me in this domain?
Yeah, so Manmeet, look, you are a Power BI developer as of now, right? So you
Right,
might be getting opportunities only related to Power BI. But
right.
when you become Power Platform developer, you Power BI will be one component of it. So then you will be learning Power Apps also. You will be learning Power Automate also. You will be
Mm-hmm.
learning Power Automate Desktop also. So you will be
Okay,
enabled for multiple, opportunities. And consider yourself as an organization. Like
okay.
suppose you have two developers that are there in
Mm-hmm.
the market. One knows only Power BI, and
Okay.
other knows Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI. So might
Mm-hmm.
be you are having project of Power BI at this point of time, but might be after some days you might get project on these technologies, right? So which
Okay.
one would you like to hire? The person with Power BI or the person with the entire Power Platform skill set?
Obviously with the entire platform.
Yeah, because like you will be hiring a much broader perspective guy, right? Who will be able
Right.
to handle other projects also if something comes. Like if you only know Power BI, suppose after 2 years we stopped getting project on Power BI. So then
Mm-hmm.
you will be a stale resource for us, right?
Right.
So this is the answer to your question, and due to that only you are having lot of openings in the market and lots of demands in the market. So
Mm-hmm.
we will be discussing all these things today only, like what is the demand, what is Power
Mm-hmm.
Platform, why Power Platform, and to
Okay.
whom it is suitable and all these things we will discuss.
And okay, and the last question from me as of now, right? So, what about the coding? So, do we have to learn any coding like we do in the Power BI
No.
DAX? We do.
No.
So,
Manmeet, here you have Power FX, but you don't need to learn anything. You should have zero knowledge about that. You are here
mhm.
with me. I will tell you everything how to tackle all the situations.
All right, got it. Thanks.
Yes. Thank you, Manmeet.
Hi, Indrajit.
Hi, Sindhusha.
Hello. Yeah, I'm Susha. I have one question. I'm
Yeah.
from non-IT background, so I'm transitioning into the IT field. Will the Power Platform course be helpful for me?
Yes.
Hello.
I hope I'm audible properly.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So, yes. So, this can be, I would say, the most relevant course for you as you are from non-IT background and you are trying to get a breakthrough into IT domain. So,
Yeah.
here, like, why it can be, I'm saying breakthrough for you because here you will be able to achieve lots of the things that you are able to see around you, lots of the functionality with low code, no code stuff. And you will be able to relate a lot here.
Okay.
So you don't have to be feeling okay. I'm from non-IT domain, whether I will be able to do that or not. So I am here. So like until and unless you are not satisfied with the session, your doubts are not clear, we are not going to end the class. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
only thing which is required from your end is you have to practice the stuff that we are discussing in the class.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And one
So
more last question.
yeah.
Uh, will you provide class recordings and will you also provide projects that can be added to the resume?
Yeah, so here everything will be project driven, Sindhusha. Like whatever, suppose you are learning something called as variables. So I will not go ahead and create a PPT and tell you, okay, guys, this is variable, this is how it will work. We will learn everything via project and you will implement other projects also that are equivalent to the project that you will be working in your organizations. Okay.
Okay.
And you can easily put those in your CVs or resume, whatever you're preparing.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Sindhusha. Yeah, Abhishek.
Thank you.
No, the same question actually I was asking, but you cleared the doubt because Shindusla, you gave the answer to Shindusha, so that's the reason I lower my hand.
Okay.
With your permission, can I ask you quick question? I'll not take you more than 5 seconds.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Example, if you continue with this course and if I get the job, so can you please let me know how much salary we will get as a average I'm talking about?
Yeah, we will discuss this thing today, not an issue.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Aditya. So this will be the last question that I will be taking before the class. Then we will take it after the class. Okay.
Sure, Indra. Indra, see, I am actually I am a RPA developer. I am currently working on automation anywhere. I want to learn Power Automate desktop. So there are two questions. In how much depth we are learning Power Automate desktop in this course? And second question is, will it be beneficial for me if I learn the whole Power Platform thing?
Yeah. So basically, sorry. Let me tell you, you are a RPA developer, right? So
Right.
RPA tools will be UI Path, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere. All these are RPA tools, right? Just I'm giving background to other people also so that they are able to relate. So now
Right.
Power Platform also has RPA solution in it, which is called as Power Automate Desktop. So we will be covering Power Automate Desktop here for the sense of Power Platform. Like suppose you're a Power Platform developer, the knowledge which is required for being a Power Platform developer, we will be covering that. If you are thinking that we will write Python scripts, we will go there, do the automations, those things we will not be covering because this is not a RPA focused course. This is Power Platform course. We will be covering the things, but which are required for being a Power Platform developer.
Okay.
And to answer your next question again, like it comes to that point only, like if you know multiple skill set, it will be very easy for you to survive in the market. You can easily switch, you can easily negotiate, and might be 4 or 5 years down the line, you will become architect also, right? So then also you will be requiring all this knowledge in your bag. Only then you will be able to tell the solution, isn't it?
Right.
And just one more thing I want to call out, like I have worked with various organizations and this Power Platform team, the people who are there in the Power Platform team, they are migrated from RPA team itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, guys.
Yeah, Indra, got it.
I'll take more questions also. It is not like we will not take after question after this thing, but let's start first of all and then let's see how it goes. Just a second, guys. Let me grab my stylus. It is misplaced. Yeah, guys, I'm back. And before starting the class, guys, I want to know like how many of you are already a Power BI developer? Can you guys raise your hand? So that I can get a fair idea about the audiences. Okay, Manmeet, Rahul. 3 people. 4. 5. Cool. Okay, guys, let's get started. Welcome back to KSR Data Vision. This is the first preview session of the class of the batch that we will be starting from today onwards. This will be the evening batch. And what we will be covering today is I will be giving you Power Platform introduction, and we will be covering what today, like what you can expect from us, what we will be covering in the course, and we will be covering like what are the various job roles that you can expect from Power Platform course, and what is the market as of now, and we will take your questions related to anything and everything. Okay. Let's go ahead. I will draw a flowchart for you that you will be able to relate with that. What is Power Platform? So before starting, what is Power Platform, guys? I want you to tell me what is Office 365 products. What are Office 365 products?
So it's everything regarding to Microsoft Office. Apart from that, it's Power Apps products that we have in Power Apps.
No, I'm not satisfied.
Just to
I know
correct,
what you are.
it's not. Yeah, it's not
Mm,
Office
all
365 anymore. It's
all
Microsoft.
Microsoft products which are on cloud, those are called Office 365.
Yeah, can you hear me? This is Money. So it's not Office 365 anymore. It's Microsoft 365.
Yes. I'm taking old terminology so that people are able to relate.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure. No worries. Yeah, I'm an Office. I'm a Microsoft 365 administrator here. That's the reason. So yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
Teams, SharePoint,
Mhm.
Exchange, security, compliance, a Power Platform, and you have a lot. You name it, everything you have it in the Office 365. But it's up to the um, uh, the skill set which we are having. So to manage the services or the applications inside the Office 365.
Yeah. You're talking about admin stuff like creating user and all those things. I'm talking in layman terms, like that. You
Oh, okay.
people have seen that 5,000 license for Office 365 products, right? I'm talking
Cool.
about those.
Yeah, so Notepad, Word, Excel, SharePoint, PowerPoint, all these stuff.
Yeah, Excel. Right, guys? You have seen these products? WordPad, Word, PowerPoint. Have you seen these products from Microsoft?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what? This is a suite of products provided by Microsoft under Office 365 umbrella, right? Guys, one more thing I want to make it clear. Like, I'm a kind of instructor where I will be needing response from you guys, whether you guys are getting it or not. Okay, so that will give me motivation. Okay, you guys are getting it. I'm not explaining it to myself. Okay.
Indra,
Yeah.
one question means this is 365 and MS Office are both are different or because
No.
in MS Office,
D365 is different. That is Dynamics 365. I will tell you what it is.
no. MS Office means generally PowerPoint and Words are in MS Office. Right now, this
Yeah.
365.
Multiple terminologies like are used. Like it is M365 also. It is called as MS Office also.
Okay. Means both everything is same, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
I was little
Once
confused.
you have
That's it.
license for this, every product will get activated with that license itself.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so these are
In
some of the
fact,
products.
I'm sorry. In fact, it's not even M365. It's the terminology changed to M365 Copilot. Nowadays, like they're calling it
Yeah.
as M365 Copilot. All these applications comes under
Again,
that.
like we are not going to master this thing. This is just example that I want you to tell me, and we will relate. Okay, so you have seen these products around you, right? Okay.
Yes.
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 Now Microsoft comes with one more product for you, which is called as Power Platform. It is
Sorry, did I miss a lot? I just joined.
Yeah. You did not miss anything. We are just starting it out.
Okay.
Okay. So in Power Platform, we have various products. Power BI. You have Power Apps. You have what else you have, guys? Tell me if you know about Power Platform.
Power
Power
Storage.
Automate.
Automate,
Or
Power
automate.
Virtual Agents,
Power Automate
Copilot.
Pages.
Power Pages,
and Power
Power
Virtual
Virtual
Agents, which is
Agents.
called as Copilot.
Copilot. Pages.
Right.
Under
So yeah,
Power
I'll
Apps.
come to the Power Pages. So guys, like in Office 365, you were having product for every problem that you were facing. Like, so suppose you were facing some problem related to data analysis, then you were having Excel for that. If you were facing some problem related to presentation, you were having PowerPoint for that, right? So similarly in Power Platform, you have multiple products which are catering specific problems. So Power BI is nothing but Power BI is the data visualization tool, right? Agree, Power BI people?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a data visualization tool, and you already know like it is used by various people. Like the people who deal in data world, it is the front end for them. Like let it be for data scientist, like data analyst, etc. Right? They will work on the data, and if they want to show the insights, they will create Power BI report and share it with the users. From there, they will be able to see the insights, right? Similarly, Power Apps is nothing but Power Apps is the solution with the help of which you will be able to create apps and websites. Okay, so Power Automate, as name says, it is used for automation,
Automation.
right? So it Power Virtual Agent. Previously, it was called as Power Virtual Agents. Now it is decommissioned and it is called as Copilot Studio. It is for creating chatbots. Do you know what are chatbots? My
Like
dear
Yes,
friends.
the cat who
it's
auto
like
replies.
yeah,
Yes.
automatic chats we have on most of the sites. So like
Yeah, if you have a
It's an
bank
AI
account with
assistant.
HDFC, then you must be familiar with EVA chatbot that they have, EVA, right?
Yeah, it is similar to chatbot. Okay, it is similar to chatbot, right?
Not similar to exactly, it is chatbot.
Chatbox.
that
Yeah,
is
it's an
chatbot. Yeah,
AI
the
tool.
Can
system
you guys tell me the
system
most famous chatbot which is there nowadays?
Chat GPT.
Very good. Chat GPT is what? It is chatbot, right?
Yeah, and a
Yes.
Copilot.
Yes. So this is how what this is what chatbot is. So now if someone will ask you what is Power Platform, you will be able to explain, right? Power Platform is nothing what it is a suite of product provided by Microsoft, which includes Power BI, which is for data visualization tool, and Power Apps, with the help of which we will be able to create apps, Power Automate for automation, Copilot Studio for creating chatbots, right? Now let me go one more level down. Now Power Apps are further divided into three categories. First one is Canvas apps. Then you have model driven apps. Then you have Power Pages. Okay. Similarly, Power Automate is divided into how many categories, my dear friend? Cloud flows and desktop flows, right? So now guys, you can create these many type of apps in Power App. Power Pages, now Microsoft launched it as a fifth product. Okay. They're trying to make it as a fifth product here. But as of now, it is still in the Power Apps. But they have created the website. They are slowly rewiring it, and it will become the fifth edition in the Power Platform at here itself in the level first. Okay. So in Canvas apps, you will be able to create UI focused app. By UI focused app, what I mean, like suppose you have a requirement where you want to have specific UI. You want like user picture to be appearing here, and you want the username to be appearing here, and you want some mountains picture here and there. So then for that, what you will be using? You will be using Canvas app. So then model driven apps are what? Where the main focus is data, where you can't customize the UI. Okay, these are data focused app, and Power Pages is used for creating websites. Okay, I'm telling you one liner so that you are able to relate what is there in Power Platform, what every product is responsible for. Okay. So similarly, in cloud flows, you will be able to do cloud automations. In desktop flows, you will be able to do RP automations, that is robotics process automations. Okay. So this is what Power Platform is. So with Power Platform, you have few additions. First is DataVerse. So DataVerse is nothing but this is the database solution provided with Power Platform. Okay. And you have AI Builder capabilities also. So AI Builder capabilities are what? Like suppose you want to read some document automatically, you want to scan the objects, you want to read the sentiments. So then you have AI models also available, which you can integrate with Power Apps and Power Automate to get the results on the basis of artificial intelligence. So guys, whatever you are able to see in your screen, this is Power Platform. Now, if you have any doubt on the screen, which you are able to see, you guys can tell me.
Yeah, I have one question here. As a Power Platform is a part of data engineering platform. It's not part of data engineering,
Yeah,
right?
it
It's a
is it
separate
is it
platform,
is
right? It's not
different
related
field altogether, which is called as low code, no code.
low code and no code. Okay. Okay. So in this training, you are going to teach Power Platform or it's in data engineering?
No, it is Power Platform course. Data engineering course is different. You will be learning their Power BI, DataVerse, Python, right?
Okay. Okay.
Cloud.
And Indra, what's the dynamic 365?
Yes, I'm coming to that. First of all of you are clear what is Power Platform?
I think
Yes.
FX is missing. So
Yeah, Power FX is part of this thing, na? It is part of Canvas app,
It's a
model driven app.
development.
You will be
It's a
using that
development.
there.
yeah.
Yes. So
One
we are
question.
discussing about the component. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, is DataVerse is like a SQL server, like DataVerse is only based on cloud.
Yeah.
And is this something
Basically,
like that?
backend is SQL Server only for database. But it is not the SQL Server. You are having low code, no code database available with you. You will be able to do everything with the UI.
So is it same then?
The answer to your question is like it is implemented on SQL Server only, but you will not be able to access that. You will be able to control everything from the Power Platform UI. So what is happening? Let me tell you. Like Microsoft, what they are doing in the internals. Like suppose this is your SQL Server. They are creating the table in the SQL Server, but they have given you UI like this in the Dataverse. Like you will be creating entities. Whatever you will be creating here, it will be getting stored in the SQL Server, but you will not be able to access the SQL Server. You will be working on this UI itself.
Okay. But whenever I need to do something in the backend, then I need to access the SQL, yeah?
No, you don't need to access the SQL. You have Dataverse connectors. That Microsoft will do it for you.
Dataverse is a
Ah,
tabular format of data.
Means
Sorry.
whatever the code operations we
I
need to
was just
perform.
saying that Dataverse is a tabular format of data as we have in SQL. So that's what I was telling to her.
Yeah. Like
okay.
this is not a matter of concern for us. They might be using SQL, they might be using NoSQL, they might be using something else. This is their headache. They have managed it on their own. They have given us the interface, which is called as Dataverse. Whatever we will do operations on this, it will automatically get synced to the Microsoft Cloud. They are storing it somewhere. We are not concerned about that. Where they are storing, what is that? We have Dataverse, which is called as the data solution with Power Platform.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Let me go back to the first slide. Clear, guys?
So Indra, whatever the code operations we need to perform, so we did not require any SQL, right? You can directly do all
No.
the data was.
No, nothing is required. You will be doing it. I will be telling you everything. How will you will be performing, what you will be doing, everything we will be discussing in the course. So this is just an introductory session. I know like you will be getting storm of questions in your head. So that is fine. But try to keep it simple. Just try to relate like what is there in the Power Platform component. That is it. I will tell you how to do, how we will do, everything will be covered. And you have 5 preview sessions also. Yeah.
Do we have like you'll be doing the complete Power Platform development also, right?
Yeah, this is development focused course.
Okay, and how many days is it?
Again, I will be telling you all these details today itself. This is a dedicated session for those that thing
Okay,
only.
but
So first of all, are you guys clear what is Power Platform so that I can move ahead and give you the answer for all
yes,
these questions?
yes. Do you also cover Power BI?
Again, same question. Yeah, I will be telling you the entire module. Okay,
Oh,
just hold
great.
on.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So this thing is clear, guys. What is Power Platform, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so let's move ahead. So first of all, who I am. Who is this guy, Indrajit Singh? So, guys, I am Indrajit Singh. I have 6 years of experience in IT industry and I am expert in Microsoft products. So basically, when I say 6 years of experience, so I have 6 years of relevant experience in Power Platform and D365. And I am a certified Microsoft Power BI and Power Platform developer and trainer. I have experience in working with banking domain, healthcare domain, oil and gas, food and beverages, automobile industries, and list goes on. Currently, I'm working as a lead engineer at Striker, and I am associated with KSR Data Vision as a mentor also. I have 3 years of training experience, both online and offline classes. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. So currently, like I'm working at Striker. So I have worked on various stuff on all the Power Platform tools, like it be Power BI, Power Apps. Even I have worked on the 365 also, and I have worked in RPA team also, so, like for few months where like we did the automations and we analyze the products. We analyze the projects. Okay. So this is about me, guys. Now, next thing is who can learn Power Platform. You might be getting this doubt whether it is suitable course for us or not. So anyone who want to switch from coding to no coding jobs, that is low code, no code job, it is ideal choice for them. If you are from non-IT domain, you want to switch into IT, so then you can learn Power Platform within 4 to 5 months, and then you can use it to enter into IT domain. So if you're already working on something, some technologies, and you are not getting high or you are stuck, you can go ahead and switch your technologies to Power Platform. So it is a good opportunity for fresher also because there are lots of opening in the market as of now. So you will be easily getting the job. So then if you have career gap also, then also it will be good for you. If you want to cross skill yourself, like you already know Power BI, you want to add some additional skill set in your CV so that you can grab high CTC and all. So then also like it will be a good choice for you. So this slide I have already explained what is Power Platform. So here it is mentioned like when it was launched and what are the various products. So again, who will be called as Power Platform developer and what you will be getting here. Here we will be covering Power BI. We will be covering Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Power Pages, and we will be covering interview frequently asked questions also. And after that, you can apply for the jobs. So this is the slide where you will be able to see what are the various, I would say, certifications for Power Platform. So Power Platform PL 900 is the basic certification that you can go ahead after passing this course. Then after that, on the basis of your interest, like where you are going, like if you want to become a Power BI developer, you can go ahead and give this. If you want to become a RPA developer, you can go ahead and give this. And this is for the solution architect PL 600. So these are all the certifications related to Power Platform. So now, guys, you must be getting doubt like why Power Platform is in demand, right? You are seeing Power Platform openings everywhere. That's why you are here, right? All 55, four of you.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
So have you ever wondered like why this is in demand?
Because
I
no
think
code.
main reason is it's very easy to work on and easy to even for users also. It's
Easy
very
integration between each
yeah.
other.
Yeah,
From the
another main
organization
reason would
side, I
be
would say, like from the licensing price, it's very low compared to other tools like UiPath or like when it comes to RPA, the licensing cost is really low.
Okay.
Yeah, another main reason would be, it's a Microsoft product, because every company is, having the
Yeah.
M365 licenses, so
Yes,
it's
very most.
very easy for them to manage, the apps and everything from the Office 365 itself. Like if they are going to, learn if they're going to hire a Power Platform developer, they can manage everything from the Office 365 with the licenses itself.
Yeah, Manikanta, like for this licensing is different.
Yeah, this licensing is different, but instead of developing these offline or somewhere, so it's like a the a forest, like it all includes in the Office 365 or the portal, right? So that's what I meant.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
licensing
fine.
will be
That's
different.
fine. Like I am able to relate with the stuff that you are discussing, but it might be going over the head for from others, right? So let's discuss the basic things like why it is in demand. Consider ourselves as a layman, people who don't know anything about Power Platform. You know what is Power Platform now, and why you think it is in demand.
No, it's my personal experience, because we were looking for some Power Platform developer for one of our projects, and it's very hard to find, in the market.
Yes.
So yeah, I we were searching for about 5 to 6 months. That's the reason why I thought to apply for this and learn. So yeah, so there is
Still you guys are searching?
yeah, I think it's internally, in one of like my it's an MNC like HCL. So internally they are searching,
You're from
like
HCL.
yeah.
Okay, I thought like let me send my CV to you.
Yeah,
The
please.
major reason could be uh, there are like in case when we develop certain kind of app, so it's a very time taking process. It takes 3 months, 4 months to go through entire the process of the project completion. So
Yeah.
Microsoft has tried to develop the platform where it rather than taking 3 months and getting project to be completed within 3 to 4 hours, we can develop the entire process and we can get the hands-on power application, and then we automate further. We can have insights and analysis. So it's kind of a like entire package in just one thing.
Yes, very good. So now, like, let's compare. So if you are a Power Platform developer, if you're doing something with traditional development, React or Java, suppose you are trying to create an app, so it will be time consuming, right? Like suppose it is taking 6 months in Java or React, isn't it? So same thing can be done here in almost 2 to 3 months. Now, first is time, right? So you will be saving salary for 3 months for the resources. Now let's discuss the resource part. How many resources will be required for Power Platform?
One.
One
Generally, like
resource?
yes, saving like manpower. Let's say if in case if we have to develop some application, we require tester, UI UX developer. Then
Yes.
we
So
require
yes,
develop.
one resource plus license, right? Agree?
Uh,
Mostly. Here, what you will be requiring? You will be requiring React Java developer. You might be requiring DB administrator. You might be requiring what else? You might be requiring a manager also because it will be a team of few people. So for coordination, you will be requiring manager. What else, guys?
tester. And
Sorry?
also a server to host an application,
Yeah,
which is
infra
also
cost, right?
yeah.
So you will be requiring these things, right? Suppose this is costing us $10, $10, $10, $10. It will be $40, right? And 6 months of time. So the time saving and resource saving will be huge in Power Platform. So if you are able to clone the same functionality here, that you were able to do it there, so then obviously you will go for this Power Platform, right?
Yes.
So this is the business use case that I explained you. There are some other reasons also why it is in demand. Those are these, like why they are or why organization are recognizing the benefit of using low code? Because of this, the business gain that they are getting from there. And everywhere in the organization, you must have seen people are trying to get away from the Excel tracker that they were maintaining. Like they have hired around 10 to 15 people for this thing only. Like the people from HCL, they might be able to relate.
I have one question here. Okay, so as you told, okay, Java developer, it's all these disadvantages. But and then if you for code and then for cost wise and then maintenance wise and resource wise for app compared to Java, it's more benefit, right? Then why still that the clients that the clients are still they are into the use Java and React more than Power Platform, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about
But
openings. Why companies are moving towards it. I'm not saying React and Java are dead.
yeah, but actually, still more than 60 to 70% they are using in Java and React, right? So compared to
Yeah,
those platform,
because
Power Platform is
yeah,
more powerful than everything is saving part. It is a cost in terms of cost,
yes,
in terms
Arvind,
of
I do
resource.
agree with you. Like why people are still using Java and React, and this can't kill Java and React. Okay, to be honest,
No,
those are.
why? So
What is
compared
your
to see,
question?
okay,
Okay,
we
okay,
have
sorry,
two
sorry,
options, right?
sorry,
Okay,
sorry,
we have
sorry,
two
sorry,
options.
sorry, Arvind. Hold on.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
tell me your question. First of all, I'll not interrupt you. Then I will answer.
No. That's what. See, in actually, I've seen the market since 15 years, but Power Platform compared to Java, more than 50 to 60 to 70% projects are in the Java and React only. So it's very few projects are applicable only Power Platform. But is a compared to Java and then Power Platform is more benefit Java platforms, right? Actually, the more is a, in terms of cost, in terms of resource. So everything is more than 50% of cost optimization is there. Then why still they are using Java and React? So why can't move all the clients to a Power Platform? Is there any problem?
Yeah, Arvind, let me answer your question. I have few pointers to make. First one is you mentioned like why people are still using React and Java. People are still using React and Java might be like they have applications that are external client facing. Okay, you can create only internal apps with Power Platform that will be specific to your organization. If you want to create external thing, that can be created with Power Pages. And Power Pages, they have it as a baby product in the offering as of now. Okay, and might be like in the upcoming years, it will overshadow that. And the second question that you said, like why React and Java still people are there hiring and all. I am a Power Platform developer from last 6 years, and the growth I have seen is massive. I have already interviewed various people. I have interviewed people. You said you have 15 years of experience, right? I have interviewed people with 22 years of experience also. They were having experience in C Sharp.net, Java, and all, but still they are migrating to this Power Platform as a Power Platform architect role because the openings which are there in the market, those are insane. And the salary packages that you are getting that are at par software engineering levels. If you are this thing, if you are having end-to-end knowledge of Power Platform. Okay. This is answer to that. And regarding this thing, like why I think that I already explained why React and Java. So it will always exist. No one can kill these things because these will having their advantages. Like you can have the design pattern, you can control the load and all those things. You have everything in your control, right? Because here in Power Platform, it is configurable kind of thing. So in product-based companies, mostly it will be there. But for their internal processes, product based companies are using it. Okay, Power Platform. So now I am also working with one of the product based client. I will tell you in the end, like what we are working on and what we are trying to implement. And regarding this React and Java developer, in my team itself, there are 3 React developer who are working on Power Platform now. And they are realizing this benefit, like the same technology, same thing. If they were able to achieve that with React in 6 months, they are able to do that in Power Platform in 2 months.
Okay. Yeah. One more question is there.
Mhm.
So Power Platform, what exactly, what kind of projects, what kind of a business it's suitable for this? Okay, for example, Java for enterprise, a big project, different of use cases will be there, right? So my question is, Power Platform is what exactly, what kind of project is suitable for this?
Yeah,
this
I'll explain
platform?
you the projects also. Just let me complete this slide, then I will explain. Okay.
No, no. It's my question is what kind of projects?
Yeah,
What kind
I
of
will
project is
explain you the
suitable
use
for this?
case. I will explain you the use case end to end that can be achieved with the Power Platform, and that I have developed. Okay.
No, 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 no. It's no, no. It's my question is not project explanation. So it means it is suitable for web application. It's suitable for big OLTP application now OLAP application. It's a
Yeah, Arvind,
data
like it is
warehousing
suitable for all of the stuff. You can create websites from here is this. You can create apps which can be used in your phones, tablets, website. In your web also you can use app. You can create Power BI reports. You can create automations that will do the automation that will save the time on the repeated process that you're doing day by day. So all these things you can achieve.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. And guys, like the people who are, someone mentioned there is shortage of skilled developer in the market. And the same issue I also faced. I'm hiring the people from last 2 to 3 years now. And I have seen very less people in the market who know entire product of Power Platform. People know Power BI, what they don't know Power Apps. If someone knows Power App, they are good with Canvas app. They does not know anything on model driven apps. So these are all the issues which we are getting. That's why there is shortage of skilled developer in the market. So it is rapidly growing market. So to validate this, I want all of you to take your mobile phones out and search low code, no code market growth on the Google and tell me the number.
Indra, just one question, quick one, very. I just would like to check. I'm working as a data analyst, so I'm working the Power BI desktop and service.
Mhm.
How much it is useful for me to learn this Power Platform
It will
developer?
be very useful for you. Like now you are only a data analyst, right? So now suppose
Yeah.
after some days, like Power BI is overshadowed by some other product. Microsoft, like now people are started using Tableau instead of Power BI. So
Mm-hmm.
then what will happen? You have to learn Tableau, right? So now you
Yeah.
are already in the domain of this Power Platform, right? Power BI you already know. So now you can simply switch to Power Platform developer or Power Platform architect. There will be huge boost in your salary also and huge boost in your position also. And I can tell you the references also of my previous student who did the same thing. And they got 100% hike, 150% hike.
Okay. Okay. So not just because my intention was to learn Power Apps and Power Automate from this course, but you are suggesting I need to learn the whole Power Platform developer course, yeah?
Again, like if once you will be enrolling, you will be getting access to the entire course, right? Why you should
Yeah.
confine your knowledge? If you're getting it at the same price, at the same tenure, you should go ahead and learn everything, right, Tanvi?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, this is a versatile product also, right? Because you have solution for everything. You have solution for data visualization, you have solution for automation, you have solution for power applications, websites, and you can integrate all these things together to create a product. So that's why it is in demand and you have other opportunities also. So now we have this snapshot from Naukri.com that you can search on your own. How many openings are there in the Naukri.com? There will be lots of openings on this. So now here also we will be having the slide related to Power Platform. Who is Power Platform developer? You know Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, DataVerse, and AI Builder. And you have data connectors. It is connected with, you can connect it with multiple data sources like SharePoint, Azure SQL Server, Oracle DBs, and there are a lot of things that you can connect it with that you will learn in the course. Now, the roles and responsibilities of Power Platform developer, you will be involved in application design, you will develop the project, you will do the testing, you will do the deployment, maintenance, collaboration. And these are all the roles that you will be playing as a Power Platform developer. And the beauty of this course is everything you will be learning here. Right from design to development to testing to deployment to maintenance, everything you will be learning here in this course. Now you already know it is backed by Microsoft, so that's why it is having huge market share. So it is not like one tool or tech stack in the low code. There are other tech stacks also in the low code market as of now. You have OutSystems, you have Let me write it neatly. OutSystems.
Indrajit, there's a question here.
Yeah.
Like, as you mentioned that we can easily build applications, but how about like application that we are building using Power Platform and normally the application that we are using, I mean, developing using other technologies. So that goes live in in the place to earth that we do it. But here we are just publishing it. So in future, like if we are about to develop certain kinds of applications, let's say like something relatable to a gaming applications or a WhatsApp and Instagram, something like that. So how expandable this platform is that we can develop such kinds of application using this Power Platform or just a tracker kind of substance only we can do.
Again, Prachi, just try to like understand the difference. The application that you are talking, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all these are customer facing applications, Flipkart, Amazon. So you can't create these applications here. Power Platform is the solution for enterprise applications. Like suppose you are having some internal app where you are adding your attendance, where you are adding the claims and you want to get it approved. And might be you are having some internal process which you are doing manually on the Excel VBA sheets. So it is for that, it is solving that problem, not these customer facing apps.
Got it. But I just wanted to understand, like, do we have this expand scalability? Like in future, we have some
Yeah,
certain
like
kinds
if
of
you
like
want to, if
complex
you want,
problems.
yes, I got your concern. So if you want to have this applications as customer facing applications, what you can do, you can create Power Pages as a front end because Power Pages can be exposed to the external user and you will be getting the data in DataVerse. But again, then it will be requiring licenses. For Power Pages, the license cost is $250. So you will not be paying $250 for user, right? And similarly, like for Dataverse, you will be having a limit of 2 billion rows. You can store 2 billion rows in a table. So you will hit all these things in that case.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
Thank you, Prachi. So guys, what we are offering here, we are offering you 100 hours of content. That will be roughly 80 sessions. And we will be creating more than like 6 real-time projects. And we will be giving you license with which you can practice. You don't need to buy for any license. We will be giving you premium license for every product. You will be getting this credential. Like suppose your name is Prachi, you will be getting prachi@ksrconsultantservices.com and the license will be tagged with this email ID. You will be getting the license will be for 1 year. And I think it is for 1 year or 6 months. Like I'll let you know in the upcoming classes. Then you will be getting this interview guidance from us. You will be getting CV preparation assistance. I will be letting you know how to respond in the interviews. We have tie up with the companies. We will give you the references, and we have dedicated placement cell session that happens every I guess bi-weekly. Okay. So what projects we will be working on? We will be creating one Power BI report in the session. You will be creating one Power BI project in the homework. Similarly, one Canvas app in the session, one Canvas app in the homework, one model driven apps in the session, one model driven app in the homework, lot many Power Automate cloud flows, desktop flows. We will be integrating these products all together and we will be creating end-to-end projects here. Okay. So this is how the course is designed. You will be getting this much from us. Now you have any doubt on this, please do let me know. Yes, Manikanta. Yeah, Rahul, please go ahead.
Yeah. When you're talking about the account, what are the roles that we can expect into that admin account, or is it
I
an
will be
admin
giving.
account or
So
just
basically, what is here? What practice we follow? We have three environments. One is PP environment, one is evening batch, one is for morning batch. In PP environment, I will do the development in the class. Then I will be adding you in the evening batch environment. You can create your app and you will be able to do the development. And I will be giving you admin access for this environment.
okay? So that admin access will be preserved for the certain period. It's not.
Yeah.
Uh,
Until your license is activated, you will be having admin access.
okay. So,
Do
but
we
there
have
is a
any weekend batch also?
Sorry.
Do we have any weekend batch?
No, Prachi, like it is Monday to Friday, and recordings will be given to you. You will be having access to recordings for 1 year.
And in addition to the previous question, on the role specific, if we see, so is that the roles for this particular, Power Platform, like Power Developer needs to be applied for, or how
No,
Power BI
he's
or
he's talking about other roles, like which kind of rights you are getting on the environment. He's not talking
okay,
about the job roles.
okay, fair enough.
Yeah. Cool,
I have
guys.
sorry. I just have a question. Like you said that you have company tie-ups and interview preparations. Is it like only for India or outside India somewhere?
Sorry, company tie-ups. Yeah, you can get in
Yeah.
touch with Mahesh and get more details from him. Like what tie-ups he have in which countries. So he will be able to
Okay.
answer it more precisely. Okay.
Okay. But you do help like outside India or any other countries.
Yes, we do, but still you can confirm with Mahesh
Okay.
once.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Because he is our admin lead. He handle all these things, so he will be able to give it a correct answer, or I would say the precise one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and when you're talking about license, so would that also include E5 or E3? Because we also
No,
need
no,
to
no,
work
not
on.
E5 or E3. It will be Power Platform license only.
But when it comes to Power Automate, we may also need to test, all these functionalities in the Office apps, right? So
Office subscription you will be getting. What you will be getting in the what to say desktop version of it, not desktop version, online version of Office 365. It
yeah,
will be
but
used in
then
the online mode.
but Power Automate desktop testing is not possible in this case.
Yeah, so I will tell you how to test. I am here.
Okay.
Okay. And look, guys, all these licenses comes with a cost. So we have to optimize the cost also. We have to make the course affordable also for the people. So the license that you will be getting for this, that itself cost us $100. We have tie up with the Microsoft. It is costing $100 to us. That will be roughly 5,000. And then whatever you will be paying, we have to pay 18% GST also from there. So it is a negligible amount. So if we will start giving E5 also, so then like we will be in the losses. So in that case, we have to increase the course fee, and then like I don't think like people will be able to afford or something. We want to make impact in the lives. This is our,
I
I would
understand.
say.
I understand it because I was asking this question because particularly for the desktop flows, because that definitely needs some kind of
Yeah. So that is
Office
fine,
license.
Manikanta. Like as I told you, I am working on this Power Platform from last 6 years. So everything which is required for being a Power Platform developer, let it be in desktop flows, let it be in SQL, Excel, everything I will cover here. You don't have to go out and search for anything on the YouTube or any online forum. Everything will be given to you. Okay, so guys, can I take 5 more minutes and explain you like how we have structured the course, what are the projects that we have done, and then you can ask me any questions. So you can make a note of these numbers. Like you can call our team. We have some other courses also that we do offer. If you are interested in these courses also, then also you can get in touch with our team. So now let me go ahead and show you the module wise things that I have prepared for this batch. So this is Power Platform plan. If you see, like these are the modules which are there in the Power Platform, you will be having module 1, which is called as Power BI. In Power BI, we will be learning Power BI desktop functionalities, Power BI service functionalities. Then we will be starting with Power Apps. In Power Apps, we will start with Canvas apps, then DataVerse, Power model-driven apps, then Power Portals. Then we will go ahead with Power Automate Cloud, Desktop, and with this module itself, we will create projects and I'll tell you how to integrate Power BI with Power Apps, how to integrate Power Automate with Power Apps, and vice versa. Then we will be discussing about Copilot Studio, and with Copilot Studio itself, I'll tell you like how to integrate Power Automate there, how to integrate Copilot Studio in Power Apps, all these things. Then I will be telling you admin functionalities also. If you have to give access, if you have to create jobs and all. So all the things which are required for being a Power Platform developer, I will tell you those. So then we will be having 1 to 2 session on basic SQL and Excel manipulations that you will be requiring for being a Power Platform development. Okay, so this module 7 is project. So project we will create here itself. We will be creating everything on the project only. I will not go ahead and tell you on the PPT. This is how it is looks like. So this is the day-wise plan. This is the tentative plan again, 80 days plan that you will be getting once you will enroll. Apart from this 80 session, we are taking career grooming session, LinkedIn and Naukri profile optimization session, for portfolio making, guest lecture with industry experts, and we will tell you in resume making also. So these are some things, like these are the data sets that we have. Basically, whenever we start any project, we start with the data design of it. Once the database is finalized, then we will create projects on top of that. So I would like to walk you guys through the projects that we have created in the class, and might be like if I have access, I will tell you the projects which are created by people also. And if you want to see the projects, you guys can go ahead and follow us on LinkedIn. You can follow KSR and me on LinkedIn. You will be getting the post there, like the people who have created the projects. Let me tell you first of all the Power BI reports that we have created here in the class, because for you the first module will be the Power BI one. There is a parallel morning batch running, so let me tell you the report that we created there. I think this is the one. So here you go. This is the report that we have created. We have used every functionality here. Let it be bookmark, let it be clear all slicers. You have page navigations. So this is the one that we have done here. We have used URLs. Okay. So this is for Power BI report. So similarly, we have created few apps also. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll tell you this thing tomorrow. I think there is something happening outside. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Which place are you from?
I'm from Jammu.
Oh, Jammu. Okay.
Yeah.
Hope situation is fine there.
Yeah, I think something is happening outside. I'm getting sound of fires. So let's see how it goes.
Take care, buddy.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We can end the class here, guys. Let's meet tomorrow again at the same time. We will discuss the doubts there.
Yeah,
Okay,
take care,
bye.
Indra.
Thanks.